Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jennifer, again. So today's vlog, we're going to make a cake because it's my father's birthday. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we will be needing only 2 ingredients, all-purpose cream and a chocolate cake bar. So I'm gonna be using this brand of chocolate cake bar. So what we have to do is to open. And each chocolate bar, we have to cut it into 2 pieces. Then let's going to put, this is not just a chocolate cake, it would be a chocolate ice cream cake. This is how simple it is. So guys, now that we're done putting on the first layer, let's now start mixing our cream. Let's keep stirring until the size gets double or until it gets thicker. We need to fill the top with cream. Now let's start putting the second layer. Now let's put all the remaining cream on the top of this cake bar. This is how simple it is, guys. Now we can put a decor on our own. So I'm going to sprinkle this chocolate decor. And I'm gonna be adding a chocolate Hershey's. So let's put here. Does it look yummy, guys? let's refrigerate overnight. So let's check tomorrow, guys. How does it looks like? Hello, beautiful people. So now I'm gonna show you the cake that I have refrigerated overnight. So this is it, guys. It's for my father's birthday. Sisindihan na po natin ang candles. Oh. Happy birthday, Tatang! Happy birthday, Tatang! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tatang! I love you! So, this cake is for you. Okay, so yun na po yung cake ng aking food rebels. So, titignan po natin. Yes. So, guys, this is the cake. It is successful. Grabe. Naging mas super. Can I have another bite? It's very simple, very easy to prepare, and it's affordable cake. So, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed, and this simple video brings inspirations to your life. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified for my upcoming videos. Stay safe, everyone. See you in my next vlog. Bye!